In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the report, tailor it to your needs, and save it so it's ready the next time you need it. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to your company. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and select Reports. This is your central hub for all financial reports, and it's where you'll find the balance sheet. In the Reports page, use the search bar at the top and type Balance Sheet. Then select the standard balance sheet report from the results. This report shows your assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. It's a snapshot, so it answers the question, what do we own, what do we owe, and what's left over for owners on a particular date. Once the balance sheet opens, take a moment to set the correct period using the date or report period controls near the top. If you're reporting at month end or year end, set the as of date to that specific day. If you'd like to compare performance over time, change the columns to show months or quarters. You can also add comparisons to show the dollar change and percent change, which is helpful for spotting trends. Next, choose the accounting method, cash or accrual. This should match how you file or analyze your books. Cash recognizes money when it moves. Accrual recognizes income and expenses when they're earned or incurred. Staying consistent here ensures your balance sheet ties to other reports. Click Customize to refine what appears. You can show or hide zero balance accounts, group and collapse sub-accounts for a cleaner view, and filter by things like locations or classes if you track them. Formatting options let you adjust how negative numbers display or how rows are sorted. When you're done, apply the changes and review the updated report. Now, save your setup so you don't have to rebuild it later. Select Save Customization. Give the report a clear name that indicates the period or layout, and confirm. The next time you need this exact balance sheet configuration, it will be ready in just a click. A quick tip before we wrap up, make sure the data aligns with your reconciliation cycle and verify that assets equal liabilities plus equity. If something looks off, it often points to uncategorized or unreconciled transactions that need attention. That's it. You've opened, adjusted, and saved a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online, so you can confidently report your company's financial position whenever you need it.